Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak Nepali with Preeti. Before we start today's lesson, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new Nepali lesson. Now, let's begin today's lesson. Today we are going to learn family members in Nepali. I'll teach you the Nepali words and also show you how to use them in simple everyday sentences.
So, let's begin.
First word is father. In English, we say father, but in Nepali, we say bua. In Nepali, father is bua. He is my father. उहाँ मेरो बुवा हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरो बुवा हुनुहुन्छ. Second word is mother. In English, we say mother, but in Nepali, we say ama. In Nepali, mother is ama. She is my mother. उहाँ मेरी आमा हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरी आमा हुनुहुन्छ. Third word is brother. In English we say brother, but in Nepali we say dai, or also we can call daju. In Nepali, elder brother is dai or daju. He is my elder brother. उहाँ मेरो दाइ हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरो दाइ हुनुहुन्छ. Fourth word is sister. In English, we say sister, but in Nepali, we say didi. In Nepali, elder sister is didi. She is my elder sister. उहाँ मेरी दिदी हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरी दिदी हुनुहुन्छ. Fifth word is younger brother. In English, we say younger brother, but in Nepali, we say bhai. In Nepali, younger brother is bhai. He is my younger brother. ऊ मेरो भाइ हो. ऊ मेरो भाइ हो. Sixth word is younger sister. In English we say younger sister, but in Nepali we say bohini. In Nepali, younger sister is bohini. She is my younger sister. ऊ मेरी बहिनी हो. ऊ मेरी बहिनी हो. Seventh word is grandfather. In English we say grandfather, but in Nepali we say हजुरबुवा. In Nepali, grandfather is हजुरबुवा. He is my grandfather. उहाँ मेरो हजुरबुवा हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरो हजुरबुवा हुनुहुन्छ. Eighth word is grandmother. In English we say grandmother, but in Nepali we say हजुरआमा. In Nepali, grandmother is हजुरआमा. She is my grandmother. उहाँ मेरी हजुरआमा हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरी हजुरआमा हुनुहुन्छ. Ninth word is sister-in-law, which is elder brother's wife. In English, it's elder brother's wife or sister-in-law. But in Nepali, we say भाउजू. In Nepali, भाउजू means your elder brother's wife. You can also call her your sister-in-law. She is my elder brother's wife. उहाँ मेरी भाउजू हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरी भाउजू हुनुहुन्छ. Tenth word is brother-in-law, which is elder sister's husband. In English, it's elder sister's husband or brother-in-law, but in Nepali, it's bhinaju. In Nepali, elder sister's husband or brother-in-law is bhinaju. He is my elder sister's husband. उहाँ मेरो भिनाजु हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ मेरो भिनाजु हुनुहुन्छ. That's all for today's lesson, guys. Practice this family member's name and try using them in your daily conversations. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for the upcoming lessons. Bye bye. Namaste. Pheri bhetula.